Good morning, students. Today we'll start our new chapter, second chapter, relations and functions. Okay? So before that, we have to understand Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two sets. Okay? Suppose, first before that, we see one. Suppose one set is there A, other set B. The set A is set of some actors. Suppose Akshay Kumar, है ना? Then Varun Dhawan and Ranveer Singh. ठीक है? And set B is set of actresses. Suppose we take Kajol, then Deepika, है ना? So only two suppose actors are there. Now suppose you are director producer of one film. ठीक है? Now you want to take some actresses. So only one actor, one actress, है ना? Then in how many ways you can choose this? So if you take Akshay, I am taking A for Akshay, V for Varun, and R for Ranveer, K for Kajol, D for Deepika. So you can choose Akshay and Kajol in your film, or Akshay and Deepika can be selected, or Varun and Kajol, or Varun and Deepika, or Ranveer and Kajol, or Ranveer and Deepika. So you have options, 6 options you have. In this ways you can choose your actor and actress. Okay. So what we are getting here in this pair, first one is male, second one is female. Okay, so this is one particular order is there. First only we have male and second female only. Okay. So this element, suppose these are the options, choices. If we put this in one set, okay, so we get one set having these elements in which particular order is there. First element is only male, second element is female, and this from set A to set B. Okay, so this we can say Cartesian product of A and B, and we denote this by A cross B, like this. Cartesian product of sets A and B is denoted by A cross B. And how will you define this? So this is a set of ordered pairs. There are some elements in pair form, and ordered pair means particular order is there. First is always male, second is always female. Okay? So here what is A cross B? Cartesian product of two sets A and B is set of ordered pairs. Set of ordered pairs in which the first element is in the first group and second element is in the second group, means second set, first set. Okay? So we define Cartesian product of two sets A and B in such a way, set of all ordered pairs AB, where this first element is pair will be in first set A and second element B will be in second set B. Okay? So what is Cartesian product of two sets A and B is what? The set of all ordered pairs AB, where A is in first set A and B is in second set B. This is our Cartesian product, and this we denote by A cross B. Okay? If we have here finite elements in the sets, then A cross B will have also finite elements. If any one of the set is having infinite elements, then A cross B will have infinite elements. Okay? How many elements this set A cross B will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of elements in set A, 3. Number of elements in set B, 2. and number of elements in A cross B is 6. So if we relate, how many elements will be in A cross B? Just the multiplication. So number of elements in A cross B is equal to number of elements in A into number of elements in B. Okay? So what is Cartesian product of A and B two sets? Given A and B two sets, the Cartesian product will be set of all ordered pairs AB, where A is in first, B is in second. Okay? A cross B and B cross A in general cannot be equal. A cross B and B cross A cannot be equal. Not always, sometimes can be equal, but in general they are not equal. If you locate point 1, 2 on the graph, 1, 2, 1, 2, this is your point 1, 2, then 2, 1 will be here. 1, 2 and 2, 1 are not same. So AB and BA will not be same always. So A cross B and B cross A cannot be equal always. In general they are not equal. Sometimes can be equal. Okay? And what should be condition? If A and B are equal sets, then only A cross B and B cross A can be equal. Then how many elements will be in A cross B? So number of elements in A into number of elements in B will give you number of elements in A cross B. Okay? Clear? This is Cartesian product of two sets A and B is what? Set of all ordered pairs AB, where A should be in first set and B will be in second set. Okay? If any one of set A and B is infinite, then there will be infinite elements in A cross B. If both are finite, A cross B will have finite elements. If A and B, any one is infinite set, then A cross B will have infinite set. If A and B, any one is empty, then A cross B will be empty set only. We cannot make pair. Okay? So we can find number of elements in A cross B if set A and B are not given. Only we know about their elements. How many elements A and B have? If A has 5 elements and B has 3 elements, then A cross B can have 15 elements. Check. Now, equality of two ordered pairs. Equality of two ordered pairs means what? Two ordered pairs when will be equal. Suppose AB is one ordered pair, another pair is CD. So these two ordered pairs can be equal or are said to be equal. This pair AB, second pair CD are said to be equal if their corresponding first and second elements are equal. Means we can say pair AB is equal to CD if and only if A is equal to C and B equal to D. Their first elements are same, their second elements are same. If A is equal to C and B equal to D, then these pairs can be equal. Okay? So two ordered pairs are said to be equal if their corresponding first and second elements are equal. And if in two ordered pairs their first and second elements are same, then they are equal. If A equal to C and B equal to D, then you can say pair AB equal to pair CD. If AB equal to CD, then A equal to C and B equal to D. Okay? Suppose we have given this pairs. If this pair equal to this pair, then what is the value of XY? Can you find? So by the definition of equality of two ordered pairs, two ordered pairs are equal, therefore their first elements will be same. So 2 is equal to X plus Y, and second elements will be same, means 5 equal to Y. So Y is 5. So when you put this Y here, then we get X equal to 2 minus 5 means minus 3. So values of x and y minus 3 and 5. ठीक है. So if we have given two ordered pairs equal and some values are missing, that we can find by equality of two ordered pairs. Just equate their first elements, equate their second elements, then simplify. ठीक है. You have given some sets A, B, C, and you find B cross A intersection C. B cross A intersection B cross C, and number of subsets of B cross C. ठीक है. चलिए. So for first question we need Cartesian product of B and A intersection C. So first we need these two sets. Now if you want to find their Cartesian product, so first we need that sets. So B we have, but A intersection C we don't have. So first we have to find A intersection C. We know how to find intersection of two sets. All the common elements will come in this set. Elements which belongs to A and C both. Which elements are common in A and C? 3. So A intersection C is having only one element, 3. Now B cross A intersection C. Order is important. We need this set. So first should be B set, then A intersection C. So B having set elements 2, 4 cross. This set has element 3. ठीक है. So what is Cartesian product of two sets? Is set of all ordered pairs, where first element is in first set and second element is second set. So we can make pair first element of first set 2 and first element of second set 3. Then first element second first set, then second element, but we don't have any set here. So only one pair you can make from this. Then 4, 3. ठीक है. So only two elements will be there. Here elements are 2, here element 1. So 2 into 1, 2. So 2 elements will be in this set. So this is the answer for first question. Then we need intersection of B cross A and B cross C. We need intersection. So first we need this sets. Then only we can find the intersection. If we don't have set B cross A and B cross C, how we can find the intersection? So to find this, first we need this sets. Means B cross A and B cross C. So first we will find B cross A. So B having elements 2, 4 cross A having element 1, 2, 3. So we'll make pairs from B to A. So first element of B 2. With this we can make pairs of 1, 2 and 3. Means 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3. ठीक है. This is our B cross A. Then we find B cross C. Cartesian product of B and C. C is having element 3 and 4. Now, so 2 in 3, one pair. Then 2, 4, other pair. 4, 3. Then 4, 4. There are two elements here, 4 elements, 2 and 3. So 6 elements are here. So we got B cross A and B cross C. Now B cross A intersection B cross C. Now their intersection. The common elements of these two sets. We know that A, B and C, D are equal only when their A and B are equal. A equal to first elements and second elements are same. So 2, 1. We don't have 2, 1 here. 2, 2. We don't have 2, 2 here. 2, 3. Yes, 2, 3 we have. So common element is 2, 3, one element. Then 4, 1, not here. 4, 2, not here. 2, 4 and 4, 2 are different thing. Then 4, 3, yes, 4, 3 is common. So intersection of B cross A and B cross C is having two elements 2, 3 and 4, 3. ठीक है. This is our second answer. from this what we are getting? These two are same. Means B cross A intersection C. We can write B cross A intersection B cross C. Distributive property we can apply here. Sorry, now for third we need number of subsets of B cross C. This also we know how to find number of subsets of any set. First we need that set. So B cross C we have. Yes, we got B cross C here. So B cross C is having elements 2, 3, 2, 4, 4, 3 and 4, 4. Okay? These elements are in B cross C. How many subsets will be there? So B cross C has number of elements 4. So number of subsets of B cross C will be formalized 2 to the power n, where n is number of elements of set. So here we have set 4, set B cross C having element 4, so it will be 2 to the power 4, means 16 subsets will be there of B cross C. And if you want to find the list which will be subsets, so we have this also you have seen first element. Subsets are subsets of B cross C will be one set, phi, null set. Null set is always subset of any set. The phi, or this you can say, or phi. One set is subset is phi. Then for other set we can make pair. We can take only one element. One element you can take 2, 3. It is only one element, not two elements. One element. It should be in pair, na? Then 2, 4. Then 4, 3. Then 4, 4. Single elements you can take. Then take two elements together. So 2, 3 and 2, 4 together you can take. Then 2, 3 and 4, 3 we can take. Group 2, 3 is fixed. Second element can be 2, 4 or can be 4, 3 or can be 4, 4. So with 2, 3 all other elements came here. Now we can fix 2, 4. 2, 4 is fixed, then second one can be 4, 3 or can be 4, 4. So with 2, 4 all elements came. Now we can fix 4, 3, then 4, 4, only one option we have. So pairs over with 2, 3 all elements second, with 2, 4 all elements second. Now we take 3 elements together. So if you fix these two elements if we fix 2, 3 and 2, 4 are fixed. Third element can be 4, 3 or 4, 4. So if we take 4, 3 one element, then 2, 3, 2, 4 and 4, 4. Okay, so with these two elements these two options are there. Now if we fix first and third element, then 2, 3 and 4, 3 are fixed. Then third can be 4, 4. So this with first element these are fixed and we got third element also. Now if we fixed this and this, then we have no option for third. So now with this element all the possibilities over. Now if you take these elements together, 2, 4, 4, 3, then third element can be only 4, 4. So this with this elements only one option we have. So 3 pairs elements in 3 group are over. Now we can take 4 elements together. To 2, 3, 2, 4, 4, 3 and 4, 4. All elements came together. Now if we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 subsets we got like this. So if some sets are given, we can find the Cartesian product, we can find the intersection also, union also. If find union of this B cross and B cross C, its union. So all elements will come. B cross elements of B cross A and B cross C will come together, and if these elements are common in both, so this will come only once. Okay, beta. So like this we can solve some questions based on Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, if B cross A is given, then can we find set B and set A? A and B sets are given. We got A cross B, B cross like this. If Cartesian product of two sets is given, then can we find that set? Suppose here, if we take here B cross C is given this set. What is set B and C? So when B cross C is given or A cross B is given, so first set of first elements of ordered pairs we can form. Okay, set of first elements. So if you get first elements 2, 2, 4 and 4. Okay, but one element can be only once. So we take only 1, 2, 1, 4. So this set, these elements form one set, and that will be your first set, means B. So B is what? Set of first element, we can say. Okay, so that will be your set having elements 2, 4. And set C will be set C second set. So set of second element. Second elements will be second elements 3 and 4. 3, 4. This is our set B and C. So if A cross B or B cross C or A, whatever set is given, Cartesian product of two sets is given, we can find that set also. First set of first elements will be first set. Set of second element will be second set. Okay?